Hello, in this video I'll show you how hotel overbooking can impact revenue. In fact, overbooking is a situation when the total number of rooms reserved for a certain period of time exceeds the total number of rooms available for sale for the same period. Overbooking could be a result for several reasons. The first, it could be due to damaged rooms. It means if we're having an out of order or out of service rooms and the hotel is fully booked, we won't be able to accommodate the guest in these rooms. So this is why they will be sent to another hotel. So this is one reason. Also, it could be due to staff errors or inventory availability errors. If we're having a double booking for the same room and the hotel is fully booked, we will arrive to a situation where we're having an overbooking. Also, it could be a reason when we're having guest overstays. If we're having some guests that they extended their stay in the hotel and the hotel is fully booked, so we will have also overbooking. But also, many hotels, they overbook rooms as part of their revenue management strategy. And this strategy started with airlines, and then it moved to the hospitality industry. Overbooking strategy can help keep the hotel fully booked and minimize empty rooms. But also it can be stressful to manage for both the hotel and their guests. Why it's stressful? We will see several cases and several types of guests that it's best not to walk or not to send them to another hotel. First, we're having members of hotels brand's loyalty program. And here we're talking about loyal guests. So you can imagine if someone that is coming to the hotel all the time and one day you tell him, we are fully booked despite having the reservation. So it's better not to have this situation with these guests. Group meeting or event attendees or contracted rooms such as airline or crew rooms. Here, if you walk one of these guests, especially if he's a member of a group or you're having a contract with the company, it won't affect only the situation. However, it will affect future business. So maybe this group won't book in your hotel anymore. Okay, the same happens for the airlines. Other guests, like couples celebrating special occasions. So you can imagine someone that he's having a confirmed reservation and he's having his honeymoon. Okay, so it's better not to walk these guests. Also, families arriving late at night, and here it's a security concern, especially if they are having children. Now, in order to be more practical, we will see an example how overbooking can impact revenue. So we are considering Hotel ABC. This hotel, it's having 220 rooms available. The overstays in this hotel for this specific night, it's 120 rooms. The arrival, it's 100. So like this, we will have a fully booked hotel. Our forecast for this specific date, that we will have 12 rooms no-show. It means that they won't arrive to the hotel and they won't check in. The ADR, the average daily rate, also for this specific date, and we will use it in order to calculate the revenue, it's $220. Because we are implementing a overbooking plan, so we have to make a contract with a nearby hotel. And here, the nearby hotel that we're having, it's a contract that we can send all the walked guests to this hotel, and we have to pay $120. Because we are responsible of this overbooking, we have also to pay the transportation cost. So like this, in order to pay the taxi for the guest to arrive to the other hotel. We will consider having three cases. The first case, the hotel is fully booked and we're having 12 no-shows. And these no-shows, they didn't pay any fee. So because we're having, we made the plan based on 12 rooms, based on our forecast. So the extra revenue that we will earn, it's 12 times the ADR. because the hotel now it's fully booked and we weren't obliged to send them to another hotel. So the extra revenue that we are earning because we're having this overbooking plan of 12 rooms, it's 2,640. Now let's consider the second case. Now the hotel is fully booked. It means we didn't have any no-show, so we were obliged to send the 12 walked guests to another hotel. So how we calculate the extra revenue? So we're having 12 rooms times, they have to pay $220, okay, because this is the ADR. However, we're having a cost because we send them to the hotel that it's nearby. So we have to deduct the cost, which is $120 for the room booked in the other hotel, minus also the $15, it means the transportation cost. Okay. As you can see here, the extra revenue that we earned because we are implemented this overbooking plan, it's $1,020. Now we will consider the third case. The third case, because we are implementing this overbooking plan, we're having a hotel fully booked and 6 walked guests. So first, because we are overbooking 12, 6 of these rooms were sold at $220 and we didn't walk them because they stayed in the hotel. Plus, we're having the 6 others that they were walked. So it's times the revenue, the ADR, minus the cost for the rate, minus the cost for the transportation. And as you can see here, it's $1,830 extra revenue because we are implementing this overbooking plan. Like this, we saw the different situations and how we can calculate the overbooking extra revenue. I made available some links where they help you in setting a guide for this overbooking plan. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.